2050, we will have more people dying as a result of antibiotic resistance than currently die from cancer.
At the General Assembly a few weeks ago, we had heads of states address this issue. Only the fourth time that they've ever addressed a health issue. And that's an enormous transition.
We really need to be promoting vaccination to reduce the needs for antimicrobials.
Vaccine shyness was the first time I heard that.
We've actually forgotten the devastation infectious diseases can actually happen.
We have a $1 trillion pharmaceutical market. We have 40% public sector investments in R&D, and we still are not getting the products we need.
In 2015, with the Sustainable Development Goals, public-private partnerships have to be what we're doing going forward.
We certainly need to think beyond our own organizations.
As member states of the EU, Europe and around the world, we can also do more to help other member states. So that's something that really we're trying to promote, which is this sense of global solidarity.
Because above all else, we want to learn, we want to share, and we want to work.
In Europe, there has been quite a lot of good things which have been done. You know, there is also a sort of transatlantic task force between Europe and the United States.
The mechanisms are there. There's joint actions, there's partnerships, there's networks, and I think sometimes we're not making good use. We need to have some form of coordination.
And as we know, there are, of course, zillions of apps, so-called health apps. One should address the validity for health outcomes of these apps.
Some countries explore new ways for drug pricing.
The price of medicines is irrelevant. What's relevant are the outcomes and the budget impact. That's what we need to have a conversation about, okay?
The European healthcare system should invest in their own capability to know what's going on in their own systems.
The right target is to talk about efficiency. And as an HTA agency, we are assessing the added value of a drug.
What is a value to a company and what's a value to a country, and how do we then broker those relationships to do a public-private partnership?